Okay. The recording is started.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, but the PowerPoint isn't belum muncul sih.
Oh,
Tadi udah muncul screen.
Sayla, can you help me to share the screen, Sayla?
Okay, can you send the file? I'll try to.
Okay, because I think I have some problem with my signal. Wait.
Okay.
Thank you, Sayla. Okay. Is my voice clear, Saila? Can we start now, Saila? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Miss.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm
Fine.
fine.
And you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay. Because of teacher in this lesson was absent for today, then let me to substitute her to teach your English subject in this day. Before we are going to the lesson, let's us say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Material today is about application. Nur Nazmila, are you there, Nur Nazmila?
Yes, I'm here, Miss.
Hello, Nur Nazmila.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, do you know what is application letter?
Application letter is a letter.
Yes, it's true, but not been specific. Yes. Okay, Saila, maybe you can next to the next slide. Next. Okay, what is application letter? An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. An application letter is an important information and includes reason for applying for the position. Nah, jadi application letter ini adalah lamaran kerja, surat lamaran kerja. Nah, biasanya surat lamaran kerja ini kita ajukan kepada suatu perusahaan atau suatu tempat yang ingin kita ada di sana gitu. Nah, so next slide. Next slide, Saila. Halo.
Tadi slide udah keganti tapi kayaknya lemot deh. Jadi kayaknya nggak usah dipresentasi kali ya. Kayak gini aja.
Halo.
Slide-nya muncul nggak?
Ya, sudah ada.
Okay. What is the purpose of application letter? The purpose of application letter is to apply a job. Yeah. Next. Okay. Here is the format of application letter. Anyone please want to read? Anissa, maybe? Can you read for me? Hello.
I want to read, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Please try.
Okay, so the format of application letter are, first is letterhead, second date line, the third site address, fourth is salutation, the fifth is attention line, the sixth is subject line, the seventh is body of letter, the eighth is complimentary, and last is senator.
Yeah, thank you, Saila. Okay, next. Okay, let's talk about letterhead. Next. The letterhead contains the company name, trademark of a company, type of company, complete address, and also the symbol of the company. Tuh, bisa kita lihat contohnya ada di sebelah kanannya. Biasanya letterhead itu terdiri dari nama perusahaan yang kita tuju, terus juga ada alamat lengkap perusahaan yang kita tuju, juga ada symbol of the company. Biasanya suatu perusahaan itu punya nomor atau simbolnya sendiri. Nah, biasanya kita tulis di letter of head itu di yang pertama. Okay, for the next. Deadline. Next. Nah, if you want to write a letter, you can write the date in British or American. Hafizah Azahra, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Hafizah Azahra.
Yes, Miss.
Can you differ between British or American style in writing a date?
Baca gitu, Miss, maksudnya?
Ya, bedanya apa sih kira-kira menurut Hafizah nih, British sama American? Itu perbedaannya di sebelah mana dalam penulisan tanggal?
Kalau British itu tanggalnya setelah bulan. Tapi kalau American style tanggal dulu baru bulan. Gitu kan? Gitu bukan, Miss?
Ya, betul. Makasih Hafizah.
Ya.
Ya, dalam penulisan tanggal di dalam surat, kita bisa nulis dalam dua gaya penulisan. Bisa dengan gaya penulisan British atau juga bisa dengan penulisan gaya Amerika. Biasanya kalau misalkan British style itu diawali dengan nama bulannya, setelah nama bulan baru nama tanggal, lalu koma, terus baru tahunnya. Nah, kalau misalkan American style itu kayak pada umumnya gitu, kayak biasa kita nulis tanggal bahasa Indonesia, tanggal dulu, baru bulan, terus tahun. Nah, for the next explanation, Saila, the next slide, please. Nah, inside address. Next. Okay, maybe anyone want to read this slide for me? Anyone, please?
Me, Miss.
Yeah. Try Alif.
The address in the inside address is the address of the recipient. Recipient. Example, Zonia. Woman, chat aku ada di situ, maaf. Zonia, Woman Accessories and Clothes, Idaho Street, number 5, Block B, Pasar Minggu, Jakarta.
Yeah. Thank you, Alif.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, move to the next slide. Saila, can you move? Okay, the next is salutation. Next. With salutation, we will find it easier to greet or call the intended person by greeting. The example is dear sir, dear madam, dear Mr. Tuir, like that. Jadi di dalam penulisan surat, salutation itu adalah salah satu yang wajib ada di dalam surat. Kenapa? Karena itu menunjukkan suatu penghormatan kepada seseorang yang kita tuju. Jadi kita harus memakai dear siapa, dan alangkah lebih baiknya kalau misalkan kita tahu nama orangnya siapa nih, atau kepala sekolah gitu, misalkan dear the headmaster, dear siapa. Tapi kalau misalkan sedangkan tujuan orangnya tidak kita ketahui, kita bisa tulisnya sebagai dear sir or dear madam. Sejauh ini ada yang ditanyain nggak? Do you understand all?
Understand, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, move to the next Saila. Move to the next Saila. Next. Okay, attention line. Meanwhile, in simple terms, the attention line contains people or leaders of a company. Nah, di sini example-nya adalah attention Mr. bla bla bla, attention Miss bla 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 gitu. Ini attention line ini sebagai penekanan kepada seseorang yang ingin kita tuju gitu. Misalkan namanya siapa. Nah, biasanya di attention ini kita sebutkan nama seseorangnya sebagai penegasan bahwa surat ini ditujukan untuk beliau, seperti itu. Nah, next slide, Saila. The next is subject line. Next. Mila, can you read it?
Okay. Example, subject, salesman, incentive, compensation plan. And the second one is the canceling of the PT Kali Pasir Jaya. And the third is the ordering of shoes, Spotex. At this point, our subject line must provide an outline of the purpose of the contents of the letter. That is made so that the reader will be easier to understand and also to attract the reader's interest.
Ya, thank you Mila. Nah, jadi di subjek ini itu biasanya kalau misalkan kita ngirim surat lamaran kerja lewat email, biasanya subjek ini tuh kita tulis di subjek emailnya itu tentang posisi apa sih yang mau kita lamar kayak gitu. Biar orang yang baca kita tuh langsung tahu oh ini kayak gitu. Oke, next Sayla. The next is body of letter. Next. Nah, in the body of letter, we provide the contents of the letter in detail. It's different from the subject line. If in the body of the letter, we state the intent of the letter so that the address and the person to whom it is addressed know the whole. Nah, Sayla, can you read the example for me?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Applying for the project manager position advertised through Jakarta Post. As shown in the enclosed resume, I have a strong academic background in chemical engineer, graduated from Universitas Indonesia on 2007. My current
Okay,
work
stop
as project
Sayla.
manager. Okay, sorry.
Enough. Enough. I want to listen. Shivana Mira Balkis is there. Hello, is there Shivana Mira? Balkis, are you there? Okay, maybe Alif, I wanna listen you to read the
Yes,
second
Miss.
paragraph. Oh, Shiva is there. Okay, Shiva, I want to listen your voice to read the second paragraph.
The second paragraph yang my current work ya, Miss?
Yaps, betul.
Okay. My current work as project management in various multinational company has given me first-hand experience in the challenge associated with the development of a successful petrochemical company. In addition, I have excellent managerial and communication skill, both in Indonesia as well as English.
Okay, enough.
Oke.
Thank you, Shiva.
Sama-sama, semangat, Miss.
Who wants to read the last paragraph? Anyone? Hikmayatul Muslimah, can you?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, coba baca paragraf terakhir.
Yang ketiga ya, Miss.
Ya.
Okay. This background combined with over 10 years of excellent plant operation as project management has given me a unique perspective that will be particularly valuable in meeting the responsibilities of this position. As described in your position, I am an independent individual capable to work under pressure.
Ya, thank you Maya.
Oke, Miss.
Nah, body of letter. Bicara tentang body of letter, namanya body itu badan. Jadi itu inti dari suratnya itu adalah ketiga paragraf ini. Nah, biasanya paragraf pertama itu disebut opening paragraph, second paragraph sama third paragraph. Nah, di paragraf pertama nih biasanya si pelamar kerja ini menyebutkan tentang identitinya dulu pertamanya, biasanya tentang identitinya, tentang misal kalau seandainya dia bisa menyebut tanggal lahir biasanya disebut, atau biasanya dia nyebut lulusan mana, terus tahun berapa dia lulus, biasanya itu disebut di paragraf pertama. Paragraf pertama juga biasanya pelamar kerja ini menyebutkan dari mana dia tahu lowongan kerja yang akan dia lamar ini, entah itu dari internet, ataupun dari koran, ataupun dari rekannya. Nah, in the second paragraph, nah di paragraf kedua ini biasanya itu tertulis tertulis experience, biasanya pengalaman yang pernah pelamar ini dapetin gitu. Biasanya yang relatable sama kerjaan yang mau dia lamar supaya meyakinkan atasan bahwa dia sudah pernah punya pengalaman apa gitu. Biasanya disebutin di paragraf kedua, juga termasuk skill atau kemampuan atau kelebihan si pelamar ini biasanya disebut di paragraf kedua. Nah, untuk the third paragraf terakhir, biasanya si penulis ini mengekspresikan harapan mereka bahwa semoga aja ke depannya ada panggilan lagi gitu, misalkan. Semoga I can wait your email atau apa gitu. Misalkan biasanya itu disebutin di paragraf ketiga. Itu bisa disebut juga sebagai closing paragraph. So, next, Sayla, the next slide. So, the next slide is complementary. Next. What is complementary? The complementary is meant to be a closing salutation. Nah, complementary ini adalah salam penutup. Salam penutup yang biasanya kita lihat itu kalau misalkan habis nulis surat, itu pasti di akhir tuh ada tulisannya your faithfully gitu. Kayak gitu. Very truly yours kayak gitu. Next. Nah, for the next is signature. Next. Now, for a signature, everyone has a signature that is definitely different. Nah, biasanya kalau misalkan buat surat, signature-nya itu jarang ya yang pakai tanda tangan gitu. Biasanya cuma nama aja biasanya. Cuman ada beberapa memang yang pakai tanda tangan, tapi kalau misalkan biasanya berupa online, itu jarang. Biasanya pakai nama aja. Gitu. Sampai sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Teman-teman, adik-adik, atau sudah paham semua?
Paham, Miss.
Paham, Miss.
Paham? Paham. Oke. Kalau misalkan paham, Sayla, maybe you can move to the next slide. You can click the link under the exercise.
Sebentar ya.
Nggak bisa ya?
I need to use another browser maybe because I haven't updated.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna stop the share screen first.
Okay. Mila, where are you, Mila?
I'm here.
Are you in home?
Yes, I am.
Okay. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Okay.
And you? How's life?
Oh, I'm fine too. Thank you. Everyone close the video or my connection was bad?
I think they are close the video.
Oh. Yes. Some of them is have their own business. I know it. Like Anissa having a job, Shifa having a job. So yes, Ma'am Ari, it's okay. So do I have a bad connection sometime here? Maya, how was your condition, Maya? Is better?
I'm good. I'm good, Miss.
Have you eaten, Maya?
I have not, Miss. Do you want to send me a food?
Kejauhan, Shiva.
Is the screen has appeared? Oh, okay.
Yes, but the written is not. Tulisannya belum kelihatan. Nah. Balkis, can you read it, Balkis?
Oke, Miss. Dari mana sampai mana, Miss?
Dari application letter. Letternya aja yang dibaca.
Oke. Application letter. Mr. William Chan, Personal Manager, Wong and Lim Consulting. PO Box 583 Kwai Chung, Kowloon. Dear Mr. Chan, I'm writing to apply for the post of management trainee, which was advertised on the Student Affairs Office notice board of the Hong Kong Polytechnic University on 1st March 2005. My working experience at Lucky Star Garment Manufactory Limited improved my leadership skills, communication skills, and ability to work in a team environment. I have fluent spoken and written English. I also have fluent spoken and written Mandarin and can therefore work in mainland China. Currently, I am studying a BA in management at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, graduating in 2005. Subject which I am studying that are relevant to the post of management trainee include operation management, human resource management, accounting, marketing, and strategic management. During my study, I have had the post of executive in management society while leading and organizing management society. While while lead, while leading and organizing management society activities, I have improved my ability to lead and supervise subordinates effectively, ability to work under pressure, and ability to work in a team environment. Working for Wong and Lim Consulting appeals to me because it has a good reputation and it provides excellent training. Your organization provides a high quality service, and I can contribute to this with my leadership skills and my ability to work under pressure. I'm available for interview at any time. I look forward to meeting you. Yours sincerely, Wong Wai Man Wifo.
Okay, thank you very much, Balkis. Sayla bisa ke bawah. Okay, before it, I want to ask to you all, do you understand about the letter? Ada yang ingin ditanyakan nggak tentang letternya?
Yes, Miss.
Sayla paham, Sayla?
Paham, Miss.
Okay. Okay, if you understand, please answer the first question about what is the job title. Tadi itu si orang itu untuk posisi apa sih gitu?
A, consultant.
Are you sure? Coba boleh dikeatasin lagi deh, boleh dibaca lagi. Oh, I am writing to apply for the post of management trainee. So what is the answer?
So the answer is B. A B or wait. Yeah, B. Eh?
Are you sure?
I need the letter one more.
I
Sorry,
think you
Miss.
need. I think you need to drink a cup of coffee first, Sayla. Kayaknya Sayla ini masih dalam posisi zikir ini.
I drank my last cup of coffee this morning, ma'am, so I ran out of it.
Oh my god, ya. Kayaknya dari tadi Sayla ini masih fokus zikir kayaknya ya.
Get your
You still
second
use
cup of
your-
coffee, Sayla.
Yeah, so
You need a
Mila
second
just now Mila just now has an answer. What is the answer, Mila?
The answer is E, management trainee.
Yeah. Great. Okay, next to the second question. What skills and personal qualities are required? Who can answer? Sila, maybe you can. For the second one.
The answer is A. Leadership skills, communication skills, and ability to work in a team environment. Is it true?
Great.
Yay!
Yes. For the next, Sila. Okay, number 3. What is the name of the company or organization Wong Wyman Wilfred applying to? Si Wyman ini ngelamar kemana nih gitu? Nama perusahaannya apa nih? Anyone can answer? Hikmayatul Muslimah maybe? Can you answer this question? Oh, I think
I don't
Maya
know
is...
the answers, Miss.
Oh. So, do you need to read a text once more? Ya, saya ke atasin lagi coba saya. Kira-kira apa nih nama perusahaannya? Halo Maya.
Yes, Miss. I'm reading this letter.
Oh ya.
But the text is very small. I can see with my eyes.
I want to answer, Miss.
Oh ya, Mila, great. What is the answer, Mila?
The answer is Wong and Lim Consulting.
Ya. Mila ingatannya bagus nih Mila ya. Oke. Maybe can move to the next question, Saila. Where does Mr. Chen live? Mr. Chan. Where does Mr. Chan live? Who knows the answer? Mr. Chan tuh tinggal di mana sih? Anyone know the answer? Or Maya, maybe you want to answer this question? Karena pertanyaan tadi dijawab sama Mila. Yes, Ma'am Eri. The company belong to Chinese people, not Wong Jav. Or Sila, maybe, do you want answer?
Let me read the text one more. I couldn't find the information about the city. I think it's wait, what's the question? Where does Mr. Chan live? The city of China. Hello, Miss.
Halo, halo.
In the city of
Can
China.
you read the text once more?
Where does Mr. Chan live? In the city of
Coba
China.
ke teks atas.
China or Hong Kong? It's by the way, the time is up.
Oh, it's up. Is it true? It's have finished?
Yes. I
Okay.
put the timer and
Okay,
maybe you
because of the
can
time is
close
up.
the
Yeah. Thank you for your attention. So then maybe enough for the material today. For the exercise we can do in the next meeting. Thank you for your participation. And let us say hamdalah to close this subject of the day. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you too. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you Ayu for the presentation, and the next presenter will be Nur Nazmila.